Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Intersections. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Birthday party. Children's party. Garden party. Parliamentary party. Party, government. Political party. Professor Jackson. Professor Morgan. Professor Peak. Professor of Chemistry. Professor of Commerce. Professor of Music. Bank bills. Bank of England. Bank passbook. Bank rate. City bank. Mercantile bank. Penny bank. Savings bank. Sea embankment. Thames embankment. Finance bill. Education bill. Best attention. Careful attention. Early attention. Early attention to the matter. My attention has been called. Necessary attention. Special attention. Your attention. Department of Agriculture. Electrical department. Engineering department. Foreign department. Government department. Life department. Shipping department. Silk department. Chancery appeal. Chancery proceedings. Chancery judge. Into Chancery. Journal of Commerce. Journal of Education. Medical journal. School journal. Textile journal. Weekly journal. Barber and Company. Carriage company. Delivery company. Gas Company Limited. Malleable Iron Company Limited. Weaving Company Limited. Borough Council. Cabinet Council. Councils of the party. County Council. Parish Council. Party councils. Privy Council. Town Council. Authorized capital. Capital charge. Capital expenditure. Capital punishment. Capital receipts. Share capital. Captain Cook. Captain Dixon. Captain in the army. Captain of the ship. Captain of the team. Ship's captain. Colonel Anderson. Colonel Jackson. Investment Corporation. Corporation of Leeds. British government. French government. Government official. Municipal government. Entry, form. Form of acknowledgement. Form of agreement. Form of bequest. Form of government. Form of the report. Medical form. Necessary form. Low valuation. Valuation of the property. Valuation of the site. Site valuation. Authority of the manager. Authority of the representative. Legal authority. Local authority. Military authorities. Sanitary authority. Well-known authority. Written authority. For a month. In a month's time. Many months ago. Some months ago. Dramatic Society. Hearts of Oak Society. Medical Society. Society of Compositors. Society of Musicians. Temperance Society. Auditors Mark. High water mark. Low water mark. Mark of respect. Official mark. Private mark. Save the mark. To mark time. Major Anson. Major General. Major Jones. Sergeant Major Jones. National Affair. National Bank. National Defense. National Desire. National Disaster. National Dividend. National Finance. National Reserve. National Revenue. National Society. Liberal Club. Liberal Party. Liberal Policy. Liberal Discount. Liberal Payment. Liberal View. Piers Limited. Lupin Limited. Better arrangement. I shall arrange. If you can arrange. It was arranged. Please make arrangements. We will arrange the matter. Metropolitan Railway. Railway Company. Railway Facilities. Railway Official. Railway Rates. Railway Ticket. Railway Time. Railway Timetable. To meet the requirements. Do you require? If he required. Conservative Club. Conservative Government. Conservative Party. Conservative Policy. Stop. Thank you.